This is Usborne Fingerprint Activities Under the Sea. You might think this is a simple fingerprint book, but the ideas in this book are like amazing. They have like, this is fingertip, this is first finger, and then the thumb. So how to use this, and then there is a special ink for it, and you can see here they have started with easy things, and later on they have put something like you can make shrimp like creature, you can make a fish just by putting one and two finger, you can make shrimp, fish. And then there is a design for fish, and then there are water droplets coming from the spout. uh, Here again you can make a face completely from the finger, so that's a fun activity. Like you can make a human from the finger, so you have to add more humans, and this activity keeps on going. This is a design on the turtle, and again you can make a crab. How imaginary. See, there are steps 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is useful later on as well for the children who are interested in painting and drawing. See, there are small fishes which you can make up, and then you can make this octopus from the fingerprint, and then you can even make this seal. एक minute. And then that fish is eating up the other angler. So this is the light on the fish. I'm so sorry. This is the light on the angler fish. So this is kind of that, and this kind of icebergs, and this is narwhals. I didn't know that. And this is the pulse. So anyone who is interested in beautiful painting, so this is a mermaid, and you can actually put a mermaid, and then there are eyes and nostrils for this. You can actually make this crocodile. Oh, so this is eel, and you can put fingerprints on the eel. So this is how you can make walrus, and you can make your own walrus this way. So they have given multiple ideas for everything. Like they can make a puffer fish. uh, uh, Also you can make this kind of anemones and shrimps and everything. This book has lot of pages, like it just doesn't end, and it has multiple activities, beautiful illustrations, and I think the pages, there must be more than hundreds of activities in this book. So it's, yes, beautiful gifting option, and creative thing. This is iguana. Wonderful book, and they give this thing so you can practice it.